Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, I'm gonna show you something that I make so simple and easy. And why I make this so simple and easy, because you can do it. Now if you notice in here I have a lot of bell pepper on this tree, and a lot of them is pretty young, a lot of them is baby, a lot of them watch so many bell pepper you have inside here. We even have some big one to the bottom. And listen me guys, it will be so sad for me to allow this bell pepper tree to dry down in the winter, for this frost to hit them and dry down. So what I'm actually doing, I'm actually trying to protect this bell pepper tree. And even what you see, small one up there everywhere. So what I do, I create a small, this cost me $10 with the material, the wood and the plastic. It all me $10. So what I'm actually doing, you see I already covered the bottom, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some leaf down to the bottom to protect the root, and then I wrap it like this. I wrap it around like this. You see, look, two of them drop off already. Okay, so I wrap it around like this and seal it up really nice, and just like this I have a greenhouse for my pepper tree. It will be sad for me to allow this pepper tree to go to waste, so I'm not gonna do it. So this year we're gonna be protecting a lot of our pepper tree from outdoors. All we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be creating a strip greenhouse for them. So this is it right here. If you notice, to the bottom I put the dirt wrong to the bottom to prevent the coldness from penetrate inside. You see, all the way wrong I put. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take some leaf, this I'm gonna give you an update on this, and just pour it around and also pour it inside. Now the plastic I'm using is a plastic that you could see through, so the plant still could get the sunlight, and when the weather is nice I'm gonna open it that it can get air. So this is it guys, a greenhouse that I've created to protect this pepper tree, because it will be sad to lose all this pepper, and then who knows, it might even produce more pepper. So let's see guys, and this is an update. I will give you part 2 pretty soon. After the frost I will give you part 2. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.